Today we're going to be looking at this pressure washer from Simpson. I was in the market for a pressure washer. I had an old one that was like 2700 psi. From day one, it didn't ever really do the job the way I wanted it to or expected it to. It worked good for what it was, but not near what I liked. So I ultimately ended up choosing this Simpson. It's a little bit more heavy duty than most jobs require, but I had my last pressure washer for over 10 years. I used it quite often. So I decided I'm going to get a good one this time. We're looking at our Simpson 4200 psi, 4 gallons per minute. That's what we're after right there, the gallons per minute. All the other ones were kind of like 2.5, 2. Yeah, that's not going to do it. And this one, aluminum. It even comes with the engine oil. They're pretty hard to mess it up if they give it to you. And we got some paperwork. We got our siphon hose for our soap, all our nozzles. There's our hose. The next thing you're probably supposed to do is review the manual and go through the steps that they tell you to get it ready. Without looking at the manual, what I can see is you got to put the wand together, hook the hose up, put some oil in the engine, hook up the handle. The only thing I don't see is any oil for the pump. Looks like the pump has oil in it. So there's a real handy sight plug. Real handy sight plug so you can see your oil level right from the start. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap everything, get the handle installed. We'll get our wand assembled, get some oil in this thing. Then we'll put some gas in it and see what's going on. You want to make sure you empty the entire bag. As per Honda, the engine holds 1.1 quarts. They provide you with 32 fluid ounces. I'm guessing that averages out about the same. It says in their quick start guide here how to check your levels. Look for this mark, look for that mark. Well, I'm here to tell you there is no mark. Check your level. That's going to be your high limit. So where that mark is, you can take that mark, go ahead and clean it up. And for your own self, if you want, you can go ahead and make a little groove across there so that you know where that mark is. And it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Pull your pocket knife out or something. Just something that you can make some kind of notation for yourself the next time you're looking at it. You can look down here and it's like, oh, there's that groove. That's the high mark. So that's where your full mark is now going to be. last but not least, we'll remove our gas can cap and put some gas in there. Got to be less than 10% ethanol.